Hi everyone, this is Holly, and I am blessed to know a thing or two. For this recipe, we have cranberries and hawthorn. It is considered to be a citrus sauce, and it is a keeper. First thing I'd like for you to do is make sure that all of your produce is washed for this recipe. The ingredients are cranberries, hawthorn, Mexican hawthorn, mace, kokum, a lemon, lime, orange, and mandarin. To your skillet, add the cranberries and 1 cup of sugar. Cook for about 6 minutes or so, enough time for juices to form from the sugar and the cranberries. Then I'd like for you to add the Mexican hawthorn pieces and cook for another 6 minutes. So we're talking a total of 12 minutes. You're going to stir the mixture. Make sure that the mixture has formed what looks like to be a jam-like consistency. Once that takes place, remove it from the stove. Add your zest, the zest from your lemon, lime, orange, and you are going to, if you'd like, add your mandarin, your mace, kokum, and 1/4 of a cup of whatever your desired condiment is. I used the pear, and it was great. The health benefits. Cranberries provide antioxidants. Hawthorn is anti-inflammatory. The mace can be used to treat joint pain. The kokum provides iron, potassium, and calcium. As far as what this is good with or on, or as a spread, it's good on a biscuit, any type of fruit, blueberry pie, apple pie, you name it. I've created a list of things that I think this cranberry hawthorn citrus sauce would be good with. But you name it, any dinner, any holiday meal, you name it, it'll be good with it. All right, good people. I hope you enjoy this. After this, I've got a little music by an artist. I hope you enjoy it. Everyone, take care. If you think that this recipe is helpful and you like my channel and you want to see more of what I am going to be bringing to the platform, feel free to subscribe to the channel.